Presenting the 2007 Hummer H3 SUV. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: traction control, intermittent wipers, rear reading lamps, automatic headlights, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, driver adjustable lumbar, and rear defrost. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.